Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. And today I want to dive into the realm of manufacturing shutdowns. Because whether it's routine maintenance, maybe some upgrades, or just any unexpected issues, if you have a well-planned shutdown, it can be the difference between a smooth restart and maybe some prolonged downtime. So for those of you who are involved in manufacturing, having a comprehensive shutdown checklist, I think is absolutely critical because it ensures that you're taking all of the necessary steps to protect your equipment, to maintain safety and minimize any disruption. So let's break down the essential components of an effective manufacturing shutdown checklist to help you navigate this process easily. So first off, let's talk about the preparation and communication that you need to do before the shutdown. Here's what you need to focus on. So first off, make sure that everyone involved, including employees, suppliers and your customers, knows about the shutdown schedule. Clear communication here just helps you manage any expectations and it reduces any confusion. Secondly, I think you should develop a comprehensive plan outlining the scope of work, any timelines and responsibilities. And then lastly here, I think you do an inventory check to make sure you have all the necessary spare parts, tools and materials. This will just prevent any delays caused by missing parts in the shutdown and restart process. So now let's move on to executing the shutdown itself. Firstly here, I think focus on safety first by following any lockout or tag out procedures to make sure that machinery is properly shut down and can't be accidentally restarted. And here making sure everyone is trained on the safety protocols. So number 2, follow a systematic approach to shutting down equipment. If you start with non-essential systems and then move up to the critical machinery, this can help identify the issues early and prevent any damage to that essential equipment. If you keep detailed records of the shutdown process, including any issues that you've encountered and any actions that you had to take, I think this documentation is really critical, helping you to troubleshoot and improve any future shutdowns that you have. So then once the shutdown is complete, here's a few things that you need to do. Firstly, when the shutdown is in process, you can perform some thorough inspections and maintenance on all equipment, because this is a perfect time to address any wear and tear issues, replacing any worn out parts and performing any necessary upgrades. Then before restarting operations, this is also a great time to perform any testing and calibration of machinery to make sure everything is operating correctly and efficient. This will just help you out with identifying any issues that could cause problems when production resumes. And then after the shutdown, gather some feedback from everyone who was involved and review that process. If you identify some areas of improvement, make sure you update that shutdown checklist to make sure it gets handled properly on the next shutdown. So I think that a well executed manufacturing shutdown can really improve the efficiency and the longevity of your manufacturing equipment. So with proper preparation, meticulous execution and thorough post-shutdown activities, those are the keys to having a successful manufacturing shutdown. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps you manage your next shutdown smoothly. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and lots of content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Thanks a lot, take care.